Okay, so we are finally going to play Nowhere House. My face is not on the screen because this is a point and click game, and I'm gonna need to be touching all over the screen, and my big face would get in the way. So we're not gonna do that. This game I found in the App Store, and I thought I would play uh, as a precursor to the Halloween stuff that we're going to be doing next month. But then I turned my phone off. I was intending to play this with you guys, like, figure it out as we go. But with my phone off and this being the only game on it, I've been playing it a lot. And I've actually gotten to the end of it. There's 3 different ends. I'm going to show you 2 of them. For the third one, we would have to play the entire game again, so we're not going to do that. Turn sound up. And I hope you guys enjoy my playthrough of Nowhere House. Some of the clues are pretty obscure. Long ago, a witch lived in a hidden town. Why was the town hidden? She was hunted down and captured by the locals, but on the day of her conviction, she cast a curse on the town. You will never see me again, but I will remain with you. I will take possession of the soul of everyone who comes near my house. After saying that, she mysteriously disappeared and was never seen again. Her house remains at the top of the hill to this day. Rumors say that some people have entered and disappeared, although others claim that it's just an old and empty house. 3 friends from the town have decided to go in and see if the legends are true. But something strange happens. Bryn and Laurel can only see an empty house, but Adria can see the house full of old things. And before she knew it, she was alone. Her friends were... One second, hold. Sorry. Sorry, I've been sick. Her friends are gone. I do not like this. I better get out of here. What's this? I can't get through it. Jesus, I really can't get through it. I'm sorry. I'm gonna continue dying while I poke around and grab some things. Fuck. I haven't even smoked this morning. Let's pull some stuff out. We'll leave the cabinet open so we can see if anything appears later. I don't think anything does, but... Okay, sorry, trying to drink some water to quell that fucking cough. Yellow, green, purple. Purple, red, blue. That's all we can do in that room for right now. I'm not gonna click on the picture right yet. I don't think we have everything. Once you pull down that cloth, it gives us a cutscene. So I'm gonna try to do as much as I can before the cutscene. Oh, that door's locked. I know that door's locked. Leave that open. Okay. So what we have to do here is listen to we have to find the music on the radio. Probably channel 4. Oh. That wasn't it, was it? No. That's it. Which means the code we need is 9813. That's a clue to telling us to play that music in I'm sorry. Coughed my mind out of working. Okay, so this grid map they just gave us is going to correspond with those numbers we just remembered, 9813. We're gonna... Okay, 9. Oh shit, I went past it. Click. Okay, all that's in here is another puzzle. You connect the buttons. Jesus Christ, maybe if I smoke some weed it would help. I'll do that during the cutscene. I'm not gonna read this because obviously I can't. Y'all are gonna have to put your own thinking skills on. Son of a bitch. Double cut scene. Sorry, I'm getting a cough drop. I honestly didn't start coughing like this until I started filming. I was perfectly fine all morning. Ow. There's a bunch of those to find for some reason. I don't know what they do. Well, this sucks. Oh, whoops, wrong door. I'm gonna go outside. And we're gonna dig a hole. We'll come back to that hole later. There's an owl. Oh my god, there's like... I got tears running down my face from coughing. Oh wait, no, the key I think is used in... No, I think the key is in this area. I think it's used here. I'm wrong. I think the cough drop is working. Is this? Okay. Oh, I didn't grab the stupid book. Okay, I knew I was forgetting something in this world. Book. Yeah, we looked at that. I knew we had looked at that. Okay. We gotta put the people together. And then we look at the order. And we take that order and we look at where their eyes are going. Juan Manuel is first, and he's looking at the circle triangle. Alejandro is second, and she's looking at the circle with the square thing over it. So, go back to the other world. Nope, that's not it. Oh, shit, I just passed it. Alright, next is... Iris. Okay. And now we're upstairs. We're not ready to uncover that picture yet. I want to finish everything in this world first. Wait, what world am I in? I need to go downstairs. Drop some things off. Okay, where's she at? Okay. Do we give her the dice? Three, 5, 6, 2. 3, 5, 6, 2. Has the rabbit appeared yet? We're gonna come across a bunny rabbit we're gonna give that carrot to eventually. Okay, let's go uncover the picture. Oh, we have to go upstairs. Sorry, my brain is not working at the moment. Those coughs really threw me off. I don't know what the fuck happened. I was fine, and then suddenly I wasn't. How do I get upstairs? Why have I forgotten? Okay. Cutscene. He's your father. Dun dun dun. He's not. Not in Kansas anymore. Their quests rhyme. It's like doing a fetch quest where Dr. Seuss. I need a hat, I need a cat. And all I can give you is an owl. And another owl. Why are we finding owls? I've finished the game and still don't know. Okay, this is another puzzle we're about to go do. We might as well, let's do it now while we've got the drawers opened. Oops, wrong button. Stupid. Okay. Well, we got the first drawer is shaded over to the right. I'm in the wrong world. Oh, whoops. Let's see. Triangle left, straight across. The last one was in this world. What was it? Diagonal across. Okay. We're gonna go outside and plant these in the hole that we dug earlier. There will be more to do that later. We're gonna put the crystal ball in place. Oh good, she recognizes her own ass. Owl. Witch. Okay, we should be running across that bunny rabbit pretty soon. There it is. Have a carrot, baby. Can't go outside in this world yet. We need to go upstairs and talk to the magician and give him these cards. Two, ace, 8, 4. Clover, heart, diamond, spade. Okay. Wrong world. Must be downstairs. Oh no, her bathroom doesn't have a... Okay. It must be the bathroom in the magician's world. Her bathroom doesn't have a tub. Okay, that is her world. The rabbit is going to make the stairs fall. And the stairs are going to give us a code for another puzzle. Okay, the first one looks like an F with a line going down. No, we already did one. Back, stupid. Second one is 2 lines up and 1 to the left and down. None of these look like it. We got an E and a sideways F. We watered our beans and grew a huge cock. And now we can enter the second floor of Merida's house. How would y'all say that name, Merida? Is it Merida or Meridia? Is it like in the Disney movie? How long is this video? 33 minutes. Oh, shit, I didn't mean to hit that. Can opener. Which means we can get Merida's cat now. Bunny rabbit enjoying its carrot. There's the cat. Oh, we just gotta find it. It's gonna be out somewhere outside in someone's world. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. It's so sad. She really missed the cat and it only came back for tuna. That's a cat for you. Okay, so what she did, you see these stars lighted up. And so if we go back to our world and go to the front door, we'll see candles. And you light the candles in the same shape as the star. The suns, not the stars. So it's the top, and then a diagonal, and then skip a row. And then the bottom is the bottom two on the sides. Oh right, I still have to do the other thing. What world? Oh, I know where to go. Okay, hold on. Sorry, I was blanking for a second. We gotta get to the destroyed part. Okay. What world was that doll in? Hello, Dolly. Okay, so what he means by it's time. If you go back to the first world, look at the clock. 10:35. That's 1035. One, 0, 3, 5. Okay. I don't have the red book. Where's the red book? Is it on the shelf right next to him? No. I've missed a book. Must have been in Merida's world. Is the bunny following me, or was it already up here? No, it was already up here. That's its spot. Binoculars. Ow. Okay, so now we need to arrange the blocks in the way that the tree says. So it looks like the first block is going to be an owl, and the second one a bear, and the third one a snake, and the fifth one a snake. Owl. Bear? I don't know which one is the bear. Okay. So we're going to lower that. We're going to go downstairs and outside. I'm going to attach the hook and then go back inside. And then pull the lever again. Okay, red book. Let's go look in the magician's world. Are we are shit. I don't remember where it's at. And we need it for this next puzzle. Obviously, it's not in this world. Damn it, Merida, help. How did I miss it the first time? Where the fuck? Oh, there's piles of books on the floor. Okay. Sorry. That was my fault. My brain just totally blanked on where I was gonna find that damn book. Okay. Now we go back to where all of those circular things on the wall were. Upstairs. Upstairs in the real world. Yes, okay. Blue. Plus sign. Tree. Yellow. Triangle ladder. Three. Square. Dot. Triangle down. It's already there. No, it's not. It's up there. Dumbass. Pull that bucket up slower. I didn't even put the lotion in the basket. His world had a big red book we couldn't do anything with because it had a key on top. I think it was his world. Anyway, that's what I'm looking for. Must have been her world. Probably, since she's the witch. Well, not a witch, a gypsy. But he's a magician, so either of them could cast spells. And that's what we're getting, a spell book. Not the whole book, we're just going to take a spell out of it. If I can remember what world it's in. This would go much faster, probably, if I wasn't sick. There it is, okay. Telling me what to put in front of the door. And what to say. Oh, where's the door? Okay. What's not there? The frog. Forgot to grab the frog. It's like the most important part of a spell. Every witch's spell has like Toad's eye. And then the acid took hold. Okay, so this is one end. If I do nothing, we'll get the bad end. And I think I'm actually going to give you guys that. I'm going to do nothing and get the bad ending. And then next time I film, when I'm feeling better, we will do the other two endings. Because this video has been a shit show. I guess in the time between when I upload this one and when I upload the next one, you guys can try to figure out for yourself what you're supposed to do to get the next ending. Look at the items we've got. You're supposed to use one of them. You have a very short time frame to do it. Put your guesses in the comments, I guess. I'll let you know if you're right when I turn my phone back on next week sometime. I'm gonna be uploading a whole lot for October because it's Halloween month and everybody loves Halloween. I'm doing some crocheting and I'm gonna crochet some little dolls to watch the movies with me. If whatever that cough was turns out to be COVID and doesn't kill me. That was weird, it just came on like that and now it's gone. But also I can still feel it lingering and trying to come back. Game over. Game over, man. Game over. Well, let me know in the comments if you think that you figured out what you're supposed to do there at the end. And I will let you know if you're right in the next video that I upload of this game, which will be the other two endings. Me actually doing something when it gets to that point. Wait, does try again mean it'll take me to that same section? Okay, I'll just show you guys. Fuck it. Actually, I won't. I'll end this video and then I'll make another one showing you guys.